Yeah. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to see more of me doing random videos, unboxing, daily vlog, or makeup tutorial, if you want to see more of that, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new videos. Okay, so on today's video I'll be doing another monthly subscription beauty box. So this is my Ipsy Glam bag plus. I forgot. My mind is not thinking right now. So this is my Ipsy Glam bag plus. So we're gonna do an unboxing today. I'm just gonna do an unboxing. I would like to you know, play with it, try on all of this product that I'm gonna receive for this box, but just a little bit lazy today. I just wanna, like, you know, unboxing for today's video. Oh, I thought I opened it already. I haven't opened it yet. So yeah, I just did finish my BoxyCharm box, so kind of like my mind is not kind of slow right now. I still have another box to unbox it. I'm doing it like at the same time because my day off is over and tomorrow back to work, so it's a busy day. And oh my god, it's so excited. I'm excited. This is what's look like inside the box. So let's go ahead and start with the first product that we got for this month. I'm really excited. Every time I do receive my monthly subscription beauty box, I'm so excited what I'm gonna get for this month. Okay, first is the highlighter 101. Oh, I'm excited. Where's the highlighter 101? They have cute they do have this paper, really cute paper too. Okay, let's start with the highlighter. Okay, I think this is the highlighter. Really nice packaging. From basic to must try hack, where how to get the most out of every formula under the sun, and doesn't say the price at all or the name of the product. So I want to open it. This is what it look like. Really nice packaging. I love the packaging, so cute. Oh yes, very beautiful packaging, guys. This is the box, super cute box, and then this is the highlighter, super cute highlighter, really cute one. And when you open it, oh my god, the color is so beautiful. Really nice color of highlighter, so pretty. Next is this Vineyard Shore eyeshadow palette. Really cute packaging too. Super nice packaging of eyeshadow. They have so many cute item, and it's hard to open. I'm struggling opening. Oh, there you go. Really cute packaging. Oh, so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Let me take off the plastic, guys, so that you can see the packaging. So this is what's look like the eyeshadow. Yeah, it is so cute. Really cute eyeshadow. And next is this Mud Musky After Mask Vitamin Serum, pH balance, extra soothing, anti-aging, fading, protecting, and nourishing. Oh, After Mask Vitamin C Serum. So really cute packaging of serum, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I love serum. I think I noticed it to my skin that every time I try serum before I go to bed, it helps my acne get rid of it. Like it's like starting like soft and dry. That's why I notice on my skin every time I use a serum. Never heard about this brand, but it's super cute packaging though. Yeah, it's super cute packaging of serum. I do like it. And next is the Tarte lip paint. This is super cute packaging too as well. Really cute packaging, guys. Oh, what shade is it? Fortune. The shade is Fortune. Like the color is like that, brown, like that. Super cute packaging though. I cannot wait to try these on all of this. I'm so excited. And let's move on to the next one. Oh, this one is the, when you have the monthly subscription from Ipsy, you can pick free items every month for the monthly subscription, and they have so many options that you can pick every month. So this is, I pick for this month is a Yensi BC concealer. I love this brand, so that's why I picked this concealer brand Yensi. I do love this brand. I have the little tiny foundation of this and I love it. So this is free for this month for my monthly subscription box. So let's move on to the, is it the last one? Oh, the last one is this one. I don't know what is it. Never. In Beauty Project. Oh, it's super nice packaging. Oh, it's a lip okay. Super cute packaging. It says lip oil. Oh, this is new for me. I haven't tried lip oil yet, but this is what it look like. A super cute packaging. It says lip oil. Oh my god, super cute packaging, super cute packs though. I'm really excited. I know this will make your lips moisturize or something. Oh, it smells cherry. Oh, look at the applicator, so nice. Really nice applicator. See guys, super nice applicator. I don't know if you can see that, but oh, super nice. And it smells really good. So I'm excited about this lip oil. I think you can put it on the top of your lipstick, maybe. I'm not sure. Have to like Google it. What does that lip oil? So I think we're done for my ipsyglambag class, and they have super cute bag as well. Really cute pouch, and they have this yellow, I don't know what do you call this one. And yeah, this is super cute bag. Super cute little pouch for your small cute makeup. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try all of these, especially the lip oil, the serum. I'm so excited about this one. I'm not sure about this. Probably I'm gonna give it to someone because I'm not that person I'm not a big fan of a highlighter, but this is a really nice highlighter though. I'm gonna give it to someone. Yeah, I cannot wait to play with it, experiment with all of this beauty item that I got for this month. So that's it for today's vlog guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new videos. So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.